Hello guys, welcome to this video on number system conversation. Today, we'll explore 5 common conversation: binary to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octa, decimal to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to binary. I explain each system briefly, then demonstrate step by step how to important each conversation and clarify why each step is necessary. Let's get started. Binary to decimal. What is binary? Binary is a base 2-number system using only 2 digits. 0 and 1 is fundamental in computing because digital circuits operates on 2 states, on 1 and off 1. Example: convert binary 101 to decimal. Write down binary number 101. Assign power of 2 from to left, right to left. Rightmost digit 2, 2, 0 equals to 1. Next, 2, 1 equals to 2. Next, 2, 2 equals to 4. Next, 2, 3 equals to 8. Multiply each binary digit by corresponding power. Let's multiply. 1 times plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So sum all 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 1. 11. Is decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. What is base 10 number system using digits 0 to 9? The most common system in daily life. Example: convert decimal 13 to binary. Step by step. Divide the decimal number by 2. Record content and reminder. Example: 13 divided by 2 equals 6. Remainder 1. Next example is 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Remainder 0. And next is 3 divided by 2 equals to 1. Remainder 1. And the last is 1 divided by 2 equals to 0. Remainder 1. Read the remainder in reverse bottom to top. 1101. Explanation: dividing by 2 repeated and recording reminders allows us to express the decimal in binary with the first remainder being the least significant bit. Decimal to octa. What is octa? Octal is a base 8 number system using digit 0 to 7. Example: convert decimal 83 to octal step by step. Okay? Let's divide 83 by 8. 83 divided by 8 by 10. equals 10, remainder 3. Okay. Divide 10 by 8, 10 equals to 1. Remainder 2. Read the remainders from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3. Explanation. Repeated division by 8 gives the octal digits. Reminders from the octal number from least significant digit upwards. Is decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, what is hexadecimal? Hexa is base 16 system units, digits 0 to 9, and letters A to F, where A to 10, and B to 12, and F to 15. Example. Convert decimal 254 to hexadecimal. Okay? Divide 254 by 16. 254 divided by 16 equals to 15. Remainder 14, which is E. Divide 15 by 16. 15 divided by 16 equals to 0, and remainder 15, which is F. Okay? Read remainders from bottom to top. F, E. Explanation. Divide by 16 repeatedly and converting remainders 10 to letters give the hexadecimal digits. And the last is hexadecimal to binary. Okay? What is hexadecimal? As above, a base 16 system often used in programming and digital system. Example, convert hexadecimal to 2F to binary. Step by step. Convert is 4-digit but bit binary. 2 equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, and F equals to 1, 1, 1, 1. Combine 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Explanation. Each hexadecimal digit maps directly to a 4-bit binary equivalent, so converting each digit separately and concatenating yields the binary numbers. Binary to decimal, some powers of 2 where bits are 1. Decimal to binary, repeated division by 2, remainders read backwards. Decimal to octal, repeated division by 8, reminders form the number. Decimal to hexadecimal, repeated division by 16, remainders converted into X digits. Hexadecimal to binary, convert is 6-digit to 4-bit binary. Understanding this conversation is essential for working with digital system and computer programming. Practice this step with different number to become confident. Thank you for watching.